Okay. All right. So let's see if we can do this from start to finish. All right. Where am I? Where am I? Okay. So let me try putting white petals around any color that I want. Is it red? Is it green? All right, let it be red. So we're gonna put this over here. Although all right. Now I'm gonna put this up here. Nah. Yeah, I don't want any extras. Right. So once we can achieve something like this, then you can translate it to the yellow, right? So therefore you can do this. You can do this. Then what we're gonna do is do that. So now they look like that's in the middle, that's in the middle, and then we're gonna turn the top. Right. Let's turn the top. And once it looks like this, then we'll just put that up here, this up here. Right? Clean daisy. With no extra white spaces, right? Okay. Now we're gonna do step 1.5. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So therefore all I need to do is this. There we go. So now we have a double green, double orange, double red. Oh, all of them are doubled. All right, so once that happens, we've completed step 1.5. So we're gonna do a 180. All right, flip it all the way around. Flip it all the way around. So we just did 2. Flip this all the way around. And then finally, this all the way around. Now, here we are. So what we're gonna do now, oh look, this is actually neat. Except this needs to be a white piece in order for that to work, so no. Alright. Oh, see? White. And it's diagonal to this. So we're going to have this run this way, bring this down, pull it back. So we're going to do 1, bring it down, sorry. Because what you're trying to do is line up this white with this one so it can be brought back up. And then there we go. Oh, we're gonna bring this around here. So let's do that. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna run this way, this will come down. So let's do that. You're gonna run that way. We're bringing that down. That way this white lines up with this one that we set over here. So let's do that. And then we bring it back up here. So 1, 2 needs to be dealt with. So we need to replace the red and the yellow. All right, we have a blue here. So let's see. There we go. Now we're gonna do what we did before. Run this way, pull this down, bring it back. So we're gonna run that way. Bring this down and pull it back. And just like that, we're replacing this up here. There you go. All right, now we have, all right, it's a blue again. All right, so this time you're gonna run this way. So run this way, bring this down, and then we'll pull this back. So now we've completed that step here. Yeah, so yeah, maybe I'll do 3 steps at a time, maybe. So we have orange Tetris block, a green Tetris block, red Tetris block, and blue Tetris block. So now we're gonna focus on this, right? So remind me to have the video looking like this. Just remind me, because this is where we're going to start. We're gonna start with the yellow center. That's what we're going to do. Yeah, because this we're almost, we're going to put our red here, green here, orange here and here, blue here and here, right? So that's the aim of the game right now. So let's see how we can get that done.